can I invite the insights of Mr. Pinal Shah from EPCA on the similar lines? So thank you, Mr. Pinal, for joining, and please share your thoughts.
Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
you are audible.
I'm audible. Okay. So nice presentation from Ecubics with respect to data integrity, regulatory requirements, and manufacturing process efficiency. So as a QC guy, so nowadays regulatory requirements is more difficult for the QC, particularly in pharmaceuticals. So if you are looking, the most of the points that the US FDA and other regulators are identified in the audits is 90% of the quality controls and quality systems. So if in QC there are technology driven softwares is there, and so most of the time if the software is not there, so very difficult to identify the root causes and errors on the manual basis. But if technology and these types of software is there, so we are able to show the auditor that we have these systems, and this system has cached all the data which analysts are working on the platform during activities. So it is more powerful tools of quality control to controls in the audits as well as in the routines, because nowadays very difficult to work in the QC with regulatory requirement because of lots of compliance controls is required to address all the queries, because after all working as a human being. So human being tendency is definitely they are doing the errors during the working. So that we need to counter with the technologies. So nowadays, IFCA is focusing on the automation for all the activities which human perform. But after all, human is required to enter the data also. So that part is also the main during the things of technologies. So this is my insight on this equipment. Other than one more thing in QC is most critical is the investigations of incidents out of specification during the analysis. So if you are looking for the points in a current scenario, so there will be one point from investigation which is not satisfactory identify the root causes. Okay, so if Ecubics is providing the solution for that, it is very useful to pharmaceutical industries to eliminate these points from the regulatory audits. Okay, and last but not the least is data integrity. Data integrity is starting from the human and ends with the systems. If our systems are not so efficient, there will be chance for data integrity. If our controls are not arrest the errors of the human or the software, so that will be problem during the audits. So these are the 3 points: data integrity, regulatory requirement, and quality systems, and OS investigation. These are the main course in a days to find audits during the regulatories. So this is in Cubics is providing solution for that. That will be good for the pharmaceutical industries to eliminate this common and in every point in every audit. These are the points. Ecubics is more means, efficient providing solutions. That is my learning from this. Okay. So thank you, and thank you Ecubics, and thank you other panel. Okay.
Yeah.
I mean,
Thank you,
one
Mr.
thing
Pinal Shah. Yes.